a quad, by the way. It's awesome. I just love riding this thing. Here comes Sean.
A little bit loud.
It's got slakeness in the track, alright. The jumps are pretty good going. It's slaking in lots of spots, but the track's really good. So I'm gonna go back out. Watch some doubles. There's some really good spots to watch that, guys.
Okay. So we're gonna go watch some of that double up there now. What's happening? I think something's wrong with his tire. Whoa! Oh, we see, his tire got clogged because I got a bunch of dots out. But, he just got at the dot. Okay, so we're gonna keep watching practice, Isaac. Are you gonna end soon?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, well, do a couple more laps. Okay, do a couple more laps, and then we'll wrap up. Oh, let me turn the parking brake off. We're gonna wrap it up. Oh no! Isaac's down! Isaac's down! Isaac's down! Isaac is down! And he's back up! You had a little crash there.
Yeah.
Hey, what, are you hurt,
No, I just lost it. Both wheels got no traction.
So he slid out right down there right before the start,
Luckily I was good. I fell in the grass.
Yeah, but he did fall in the grass. You're right. So we'll see you for the next episode of racing, dirt bikes, and stuff. See you for the next episode. I'm going to keep riding this quad, Isaac.